Good morning, February 6. Outside, a cold and crisp winter fairy tale unfolds. Large, soft snowflakes cover the path again and again, gently reminding us it is never too late to begin anew. Today, in Advance Embrace, our theme is the power of the word. Our message is: my body and my soul are healed and united in harmonious balance. Our emotional state is like a sine wave, rising to peaks and falling to lows. This is natural. Here we seek the energy to uplift. Our inner state is worthy of our attention. When body and soul are in harmony, we create a strong foundation for inner peace and vital energy. In the morning, right after waking, our body is especially receptive to new intentions. So let us do our shared morning practice without getting out of bed. May it give each of us a small spark of energy for the entire day. Get comfortable. Close your eyes. Breathe calmly. Feel how your body touches the surface beneath you. Gently notice the points of contact. Place one hand on your belly, allowing you to feel the movement of the diaphragm. Use box breathing. Deep inhale through the nose, 4 seconds. Hold 4 seconds. Feel the energy sparkling within you. Exhale 4 seconds. Hold 4 seconds. Sense the rhythm. Inhale, hold, exhale. Inhale, say to yourself, my body and my soul are healed and united. Every cell is filled with energy for this day. I am in harmonious balance. Imagine morning light following through the window, touching your feet and charging you like a battery. A wave of pure light rises through your legs, belly, and chest, all the way to the crown of your head. filling every cell with energy. My body is my temple. I am grateful for its wisdom and its ability to renew itself. My soul is free from resentment and worries. I am the source of my own peace. Let us look inward into our inner space. Your emotions are like footprints in the snow. They appear and disappear beneath a fresh layer of snowflakes, allowing you to draw your own angels of light. Feel how the light of your body and the calm of your soul merge into one flow. You are whole. You are one. Gently move your fingers. Stretch your entire body. Smile to yourself and return to your day, keeping this warm feeling of wholeness with you. Hold it in your palms like a living source. Your advanced embrace